Hello, and welcome to our first, I guess the first video that I'll send out, but also the first week of our class. Hopefully most of you have done week 0 work, which was doing the introduction forum. I'm about to finish that up and give you your grades, but I'm hoping everyone posted. I'm your professor, if you might recognize my voice, if you got the orientation video. But here I am in a very short video that I will do each week just to give you a sense of what's going on in the class. So I finished and uploaded your lecture, and it's about 9 pages long, but I think 1.5 space and a little bit bigger font. I really encourage you to print it out, mark it up, make it your own. And by the way, as you can see, I'm in my home office. My husband's side of the office, he has more memory than I do in terms of his computer. So anyway, you might see another part of this office later in the session. This week you have your book, one of them, Tattoos on the Heart. You're just reading the introduction, not even chapter 1 yet, just introduction. And I have some comments about how I interpreted the session, the chapter in the lecture. And then you have quite a few chapters from the beginning of our main text, Public Sociology. Over the weekend, I hope you read chapter 1, which gives you a sense of what is this thing called public sociology, and I'm going to argue that there are public criminologists. They are frequently sociologists, critical criminologists. So just in your mind, if I don't make the connection of public public crim, that's what it is. The class is for both majors, and I'm excited to have everyone in the class. So chapter 1 was you should focus on the organic style of public sociology, and then chapters 2, 3, 4 give you more overview, and I talk about that in the lecture, or I write about it. So read the lecture, always read the lecture, so you have a sense of, what are we doing? And I'll always tie in the readings and things like that, so it'll be comprehensive. Okay, so to not make this too long, the other things we're going to do this week is 4 students know that they are posting in the community forum. And so those 4 students, I got a personal email from me just reminding them and giving them a tip of what they could post. So after Wednesday, so Thursday, oh my God, what are the days of the week? Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Everyone else should go to the community forum and just share a little bit about, your reflections on what they wrote about, sharing a little bit about what you're doing. So it's, for me, if you didn't attend the in-person orientation, I have been just kind of tired of, I've been doing online teaching for a very long time. I'm in my 10th year as a tenured track, now tenured professor. So probably been teaching online for 8 years. Okay. So I would like to change our online dialogues to being a little bit more focused. So every week someone, a little group of students is going to post kind of about what's going on in their site. And then everyone else will still share, but we'll be sharing in comparison, contrast, elaborations with the 3 or 4 that shared on the community forum. Okay, so everyone gets a chance to share. Everyone gets a chance to kind of say what's going on. And I hope everyone just kind of clicks on what people are writing about and respond and dialogue and all that good stuff. Okay, so all that should and will happen. But the people who are doing the posting, you're only going to do that once. But you certainly will be sharing every week. Okay, so that's going to happen. And then at the end of the week, by Sunday or before, you'll write your first journal. And every week you have a journal due. So please, 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 please please refer to what I mean by journal. And I'm going to find an example. It won't be for this class, obviously. It'll be for my last class that I taught, Sociology of Education, which is also 4 units. And they also had to do journals and did service learning and all that jazz. So anyway, I will send something out on that. Just do your true best with what you can this week. And then next week, we'll really get into what the heck do I mean by ethnographic detail and analysis and all that stuff. Okay, so we'll do that. This week and next week are kind of like trying to get into it, trying to learn. Then next week, after that, after those 2 weeks, you got to be on point. I'm not going to like mess around. You're going to get it right or you're not. But you'll definitely get feedback from me. Okay, so farewell. Happy first week. I'm going to be really excited to see everyone online. And please send me emails every day, any time of day. I'm happy to respond and to help you out. Okay, bye-bye. See you online.